Hey there, it is Mike, and I am, this is episode 2, my project. You can tell some of the things that I've been able to take off here. Let me just point it out here. I've been able to take off here, and you can see this cavity here. I've been able to take off the air box, the inlet tube that goes into the turbo there. I've been able to take off the intercooler, which is this thing that kind of cools the air here that makes that go into the input there. I have also been able to, and if you can see here, this is the I've taken off the shield here for the turbocharger, and there's a shield that goes around here. I've taken that off. I've also taken off the bolts and the nuts, if you look closely, on the turbocharger. What I have to do now is go down beneath and remove this downpipe here, and as well as take off this cat, or this exhaust, where the exhaust comes on each of the bulbs. I have to take that off as well. I have removed the battery, of course, and here's something. There's the transmission filter there. I've removed the rad, as you can see here as well. That's all nice and open. So you can start to see I've got a lot more space here to work with. I've also removed, this is an air pump. I've removed this. This can come right off, actually. And what I'm going to do, see, I'm marking things about where they are. I'm horrified about I'm not going to be able to figure out where stuff goes, so that's why I'm doing that. Let's see here, what else? That's about it. So now I've got to take off, this is the power steering pump. I'm going to take that off, lay that into this cavity here with all of the hoses that are connected to it. I'm going to take off the, this is the alternator here. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take off, this is the power steering pump. That's going to come off, and that's going to lay over there. That's pretty much it. I'm making some progress. When I'm done, this whole top cavity, including this whole input, this will be off as well. So, in preparation for me putting things back. So let me put this oil dipstick back into the engine and go from there. So anyway, things are looking better. You can see here there's certainly an oil leak of some sort that's on the left side here. I don't know if it's from the turbo or what, but you can certainly see that there's lots of oil that's coming out here, or has coming out here. Here's the belt. You can see that the alternator belt is on the outside of that harmonic balancer and onto the power steering, or sorry, yeah, that's power steering, and the other one is on the inside. So I'll start taking these 3 things off. Then we'll start removing that other pieces there, and we'll go from there. So that's pretty much it for now, episode 2. And I'll just continue to remove more pieces and go from there. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll hope it goes okay, and we'll talk to you next time.